There's got to be some fucking body watching my broker, and anything I do, they're just doing the opposite. I promise you, I used to think this shit. I remember one time slamming my laptop on the fucking ground. Bro, I used to go crazy. I used to get fucking pissed and this was years ago. Now it's almost embarrassing that I would get that fucking mad over losing trades, or when I get spiked out and it hit my stop loss and then shoot up to take profit. I used to get so fucking angry. I'm talking about like yelling at the top of my lungs. I'd be up at 3 a.m. slamming shit down, breaking my goddamn mouse and yelling and rebuking the fucking markets. I'd be like, bro, it's gotta be somebody watching me trade. Like, it's gotta be somebody watching. There ain't no fucking way I'm doing everything right and I'm still losing the trade. And it's like, ain't nobody watching you, bro. You just don't have, your system is just not in place the way you think it is. And that's what I had to be honest about. My system just wasn't in place the way I thought it was. I used to be like, bro, these people, I used to be like, man, this trading shit is fake, bro. Ain't nobody really profitable with this shit. Ain't no way these people, I used to be like, bro, ain't no way these people really millionaires from trading. They lying. They are lying. There's no way. But the whole time it was me. It was my fucking mindset. It's the fear of missing out. It was not having a strategy, not having a checklist, not having a trading plan, not having a risk management plan. It was me the whole fucking time. And it's crazy that most people start trading and like the first year they get pissed. They think it's a scam. They see, because there are people that be out here scamming shit. I never got scammed in it, but there are people making these crazy ass claims like, I made $100 million in 5 years at 22. Fuck off, bro. Anybody that believes you a fucking idiot. They think you made $100 million in 5 years and you're 22. So you start trading at what, like 12, 13? Because it takes you a few years to just actually know trading good enough to become profitable, bro. You didn't just start learning at 17 and become profitable at 17, and now you're 22 with $100 million. Come on, man. Let's stop with the bullshit. But at the very beginning, I used to think people, the market makers, were watching me, specifically me, Marday Dean, M Diesel, MD, you specifically. They was fucking with me. Like, why y'all fucking with me, bro? Like, why am I the one that's not being profitable? And I used to look at people like, man, how this lame got all this money? He's a fucking lame. This nigga a dweeb. And it's like, bro, they know something you don't. You hating right now. They're profitable, you not. You sound like a hater. And I swear to you, once I stop thinking about everybody else being profitable and what strategy they may be using, or this person is lame or whatever, like, what the fuck being lame got to do with being profitable, bro? That shit ain't got nothing to do with nothing. This person lame, he ugly, he fat, bro. They ain't got nothing to do with nothing. That person's in a position that you want to be in. So in reality, they're better than you. And that's what used to fuck me up. I used to be like, man, this person lame, or they lame as hell. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? I'd be like, this person lame as hell off of my standards of what lame is, being the tough guy or whatever. This person lame, he a dweeb, he looks soft or whatever. Man, he clearly better than me because I'm sitting over there trying to learn how to trade. This motherfucker already trading, got him multiple cars, a house, all that kind of shit, traveling wherever he want to go. And I'm sitting here calling him lame. Who really lame? Me being broke at home trying to learn how to trade, or the motherfucker that's already the successful trader? He not lame. He gets to live his life the way he want to do. He gets to live his life the way he wants to live it. He's not in the rat race no more. I'm still in the fucking rat race calling these people lame. Trading, that shit used to get to me the first year or two. Like the first year or two. The first couple of years, that shit used to, man, it used to fuck me up. And it's crazy because I have like, I wouldn't call people like I wouldn't say I'm mentoring these people, but I have a few people but I'm teaching them how to trade. And over the last year, I keep trying to tell them what's going to happen and don't feel this way when it happens, all this. And it's funny because they breaking laptops and slamming shit down and getting mad. They calling me, they hitting me up talking about, man, I need to talk to you, bro. I don't know what the fuck is going on, this and that. And then I'm like, bro, I got in that same trade, but I won the trade. Man, I got into it, but it hit the stop loss. I'm like, brother, you didn't wait for the pullback and the confirmation candle after the shift of structure. I specifically told you, just because the structure shifted, it didn't confirm it. It didn't give you the shoestring theory that I taught you. And that shoestring theory is on my channel also. but you're not waiting for everything you're supposed to wait on. I need my trade to be a 10 out of 10, not a 9 out of 10, not a 9.3 out of 10, not an 8.8 out of 10. It needs to be a 10 out of 10 or I'm not taking it. But enough of the rambling. My whole point was, I used to think trading was against me. I used to think there was like trading gods and they just didn't like me. They want me to go to the day trading hell. Like I swear to you, I thought people did not like me. I thought the market makers was really just looking at my little ass account. I remember having an account at a few $100s, like $500, and I'm thinking the market makers really give a fuck about my little ass account. You think they really give a fuck about that $500, bro? Man, your strategy is not what you think it is, and if it is, you're not being patient enough. You don't have a plan. You don't have a checklist. It's not the market makers, man. Which I believe there are market makers, but it's not always them. A lot of times it's just you, your strategy, your mindset. You have FOMO. It's really just you.